यदि आप इंग्लिश में कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करना चाहते हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहिए बिना किसी ग्रामर के। जैसे हम हिंदी को स्टार्ट करते हैं, हिंदी को हम शुरू करते हैं, वैसे ही तो मैं आज लाई हूँ कुछ ऐसे कन्वर्सेशन जो हमारे डेली रूटीन से जुड़ा हुआ है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। डायलॉग 1। Father Bill and daughter Lisa are talking about the Lisa's lawn tennis match. Hi dear, how are you? Seems busy? Yes, I am Dad. I am preparing for my tennis match. How is it going? Good. But I need to work more on my backhand shot. Do you need any help? Yes, I do. It will be great if you join me. Can you? Yes, I can. Great. Let's go to stadium tomorrow at 6. No, let's make it 5:30. Fine, sharply 5:30. Dialogue 2. Alex talking about his everyday schedule at hostel with his mom. Do you wake up so late in hostel too? No, Mom. I wake up there at 6 a.m. every day. What time do you have your breakfast then? Breakfast is always at 8 in the morning. Mom, when does Anna go to school? She usually goes to school at 10:30 a.m. I go to school at 11 a.m. regularly. Okay. Do you go to watch movies sometime? Yes, we do. But not so often. Does Anna ever miss me? She definitely does. After all, she is your little sister. Does Papa go on tour frequently? He seldom goes on tour these days. ये थे कुछ डेली यूजेस इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।